What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be playing Steal a Brain Rot, Fortnite. We're gonna do a base tour with my best friend. Let's gotta check out his base first. Ooh, he has a secret. Let me just tell you, I gave him this and this. I traded him those two. Wait, let me take my stuff back. Hey, Hey, we just did a rebirth, okay? Let me take my stuff back. Escape particle. No, I'm recording. Okay, we're gonna check out my base next. Okay, we have Audie, Travelos. I have 3 stories. Then we have all my best stuff. This is like my best stuff right here. Then we had my favorite one of all, my golden secret. And that's the end of my room tour. Bye. Oh, no! Ah, I dropped the camera.
No, you dropped the camera. I was trying to do something, but I was trying to see your guy.
I'm gonna put the last. I'm gonna place this up there. And that's the end of the house tour. Make sure to like, subscribe, and this is our sponsor. Oh no! Not my Alicio! No! No, I'm locking my base. It's locked for 160 seconds. Nah. I pushed them. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, no. Oh, I'm gonna lose. I dropped the camera. I keep dropping the camera. Oh.
No, keep dropping the camera.
Rebirth 10 is Rebirth 9. And that's the end of the house tour. Make sure to like and subscribe.